Hello, this is Gabe from Fredericton Hyundai. In this video, I am going to show you the 2025 Hyundai Elantra Preferred. So let's start. So this is the 2025 Elantra Preferred. Specifically, this color is Ecotronic Grey. Basically, the 2025 is the same, have the same specs, same features like the 2024. Everything is the same. And you know, Elantra is one of our most popular cars in the Hyundai lineup. So as you know, the Elantra have the flat Hyundai logo since 2024, and also this, as you know, is a facelift, as you see, that have a more sharpened design and a more sporty look, as you know. Also, the Elantra Preferred comes with those nice 16 alloy rims, and the tires are 205/55, are all-terrain tires, are Kumho Solus. One thing that I noticed here is if you see the front bumper, you see that that hole that makes the car more aerodynamic, and also makes the brakes receive more air and will be more fresh, not too hot. Also, the 25 Elantra and also like the 24 have this nice design at the rear here. Let's take a look at the back. Same as 2024. And let me show you the key fob. In case of the Preferred, the key fob is like this. And also you have a button to open the trunk. Let's take a look at the back. As you know, you have a very good amount of space in the 2025 Elantra Preferred. Also, you have these buttons if you want to pull and put flat the seats. And as you know, the flat logo and the new typography. Let's go to the back. You have the shark antenna. Here you have the controls for the rear windows, chrome handles, and the seats are cloth seats. And you have here USB Type-C ports for your rear passengers. You have here these handles that are soft, that have the soft movement. Also these things to put things there. So you have here the controls for windows, exterior mirrors. I forgot to mention that the Elantra Preferred, 25 Elantra Preferred, you have keyless entry. Here the cloth seats with that nice center design. The seats you can move forward, backward, or the high too. Here controls for the trunk and gas cap. Let me turn on the car. You have the start stop button. Here you have the controls for dimming the lights, traction control off. This is to open the hood. The steering wheel have here to control the column. Here you have this nice steering wheel with controls for the phone and Bluetooth here, voice commands too, and also here for the computer and cruise control. And the steering wheel is very nice, have leather. Also here you have the gauges that are digital. and when you switch the drive modes, the colors change, as you see. Here you have the controls for lights, also for the signals, and also if you notice it here, you have auto high beams. That is a very nice feature in a basic car. You have here the controls for wipers. Here you have a multimedia system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay wireless. Here you have a simple climate system. You have here for driver and passenger heated seats in 3 levels, heated steering wheel, air conditioning, recirculation, and rear defroster. You have here a 12-volt outlet, Type A port and Type C port. Here the gearbox, the button for the drive modes that I showed you, and also if you want to activate the rear camera. I forgot to mention this for the emergency lights, and here you have this nice detail, this chrome detail with the air vents. You have this handle, parking brake. You have here, this is for cup holders and this nice tray. You have here the armrest with more space here, and you have here the glove box with the manuals. Oh, I noticed that the passenger have the option to lock and unlock the doors, not the rear passengers. And this is for the lights that are halogen, and here the sun visors with mirrors and lights too. Let me show you the front. And you have here the engine, that is the same engine of past Elantras, that very reliable 2.0 4-cylinder 16 valve with around 150 horsepower. And take a look how the car looks with the daylight time running lights. Are very sharp. Alright, that's it. I hope you liked this video of the 2025 Elantra Preferred. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to let me know. Have a great day.